Hi everyone, welcome back. So, as part of the today's session, if there is an object in a particular screen, how exactly we can perform a tap operation is the scenario that I want to explain. So, consider that this is an object. So, definitely for this object, if at all you want to use this approach that we have seen yesterday, definitely we need a coordinates for that. Upon getting the coordinates, you will be pressing here, and of course you will be releasing it out from there. You will press and you will wait for few seconds in order to perform that tap operation, and then you will release it from there, right? So the first thing is you need to move your cursor to that particular point and then press, wait for a few seconds, and then move out. That's it. This is what the ultimate operation that I want to do. For which, what I am doing means, from the Swag Labs scenario that we have created, I am copying these two lines, basically the pointer input and as well as this line, to simplify my work. And on the Swag Labs itself, for the login button, I stored it as a web element, and for which I captured the X coordinate and as well as a Y coordinate for that particular object. And right now I am placing my this name as a tab, and of course this name also a tab, and of course this name also a tab. So I'm just created a point input and as well as this particular chunk. The first thing that I need to do here is I need to move my position to my start X and as well as a start Y. So here sequence a dot, okay, sequence a dot. The action that I want to add out over there is using this tab, okay, create pointer move, and I don't want to make any delay in moving for the first time, hence I am marking it as a 0. And right now pointer input dot origin dot a viewport. So I just want to deal with the same screen itself, hence I was dealing it as a that particular one. Start X comma start Y. Start X comma start Y is the coordinate where exactly I want you to move your cursor. After moving down that particular cursor, you wanna perform a tap. So here you wanna perform a kind of a click. So here what I wanna do right now is tap dot create a pointer down, right? And for this particular pointer down, what I want to do is the pointer input, okay, the pointer input dot the mouse button, okay, dot mouse button dot left dot arguments. Okay, I just converted this whole chunk like this. Perfectly all right. And after this whole thing, okay, once we are done up to this particular thing, then we need to wait for few seconds, right? Sequence dot add action of new pass. Again I want to do a pass. How much pass you want to do? On the tab I want to pass for few milliseconds, and it's gonna be 200 milliseconds. After performing a tab, wait for few milliseconds, and after waiting for few milliseconds you need to come out, right? So create pointer up basically. Okay, I just want to point up basically, and I want to pass on this as an input so that that will simplify my work. Perfectly all right. And after performing all these things, okay, after performing all these things, the last action that I want to deal here is the sequence of actions. So driver dot perform, and here collections dot, and even this sequence I want to perform. So what it will happen, it will go and perform a tap operation on that particular object, guys. Okay, it will go ahead and it will perform a tap operation on that particular object. Let us see this. So the script is trying to execute on the device. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, the app got launched. and after waiting for few seconds, it should perform a tap operation on the login button. The tap should happen on a login button. We have a given around 9500 milliseconds, hence it's waiting there. See, the tap operation got to perform. So this is the way how exactly we can deal with this particular tap. Okay, perfectly all right, good enough. So let's continue this topic in the next session with a different example. Okay, thank you, bye bye.